How to add and delete devices on a TX7 addressable loop using the Commission menu. Let's start with Loop 1, which has no devices installed. For a brand new installation, select Option 1, Enroll All Devices. The panel will automatically scan and enroll all addressable devices connected on each loop. Use this for first-time commissioning. Adding devices to an existing system? Select Option 2, Enroll Additional Devices. The panel will detect only the newly connected devices, leaving your existing configuration untouched. Before sign off, run Option 4, Analyse Dual Address. The panel checks all device addresses and flags any duplicates, showing you the loop and device number to resolve conflicts fast. To update an already enrolled device, select Option 5, Modify Enrol Status. This lets you adjust previous device configurations without re-enrolling the full loop. That's the TX7 Commission menu.